Okay guys, so we're going to make some Dijon chicken for dinner tonight. And here I have some chicken breast that I had seasoned in advance. And what I did, the chicken breasts were so thick that I was able to cut down the middle and get 2 pieces of the chicken breast. So that's something you can do. If you have a thick piece of chicken breast and you want to stretch your meal to make dinner for your family, you can cut down the half of it, and that's what I did here. So this was seasoned with some of my green seasoning blend. I also put some salt, some black pepper, some ginger powder, some garlic powder, and some adobo seasoning, all-purpose adobo seasoning. If you watch my fried chicken video, you would see how I seasoned this chicken, because this chicken breast was seasoned when I was seasoning that batch of chicken. So here we have our chicken breast. Now we're going to pan fry this, and because this was cut in half, it obviously will cut down the cooking time, because if the chicken breast was very thick, then it takes a longer time to cook. So that's another good idea. To cut down your cooking time, you can always cut your chicken breast in half. That is, if it's a very fat piece of chicken breast. Okay, so here we have our chicken breast that we're going to pan fry. When this is finished pan frying, we're going to make our Dijon sauce. So we're going to be using about a half cup of chicken broth. We're going to be using 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and we're going to be using some dried herbs. You can use whatever you desire, whether it is you want to use oregano or tarragon, or even some Italian seasoning or herb de Provence. You can choose whatever you desire. Today I'm going to try some tarragon. Okay, so let's get to cooking our chicken. Okay, what I'm also going to add to this is also some garlic as well. I'm going to add some garlic to the oil before I put the chicken in. So guys, I added some oil to my pan, and then I added some garlic. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my chicken breast. Okay, so I'm now going to turn over my chicken. Now guys, I would mention to you that after I flipped my chicken, I went and I washed out my fork so that there will be no cross contamination between the raw meat and the cooked meat. So as I flipped it there just now, this fork was washed, because the meat now will be a little more cooked. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, to this pan, we're going to add the chicken broth. we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of the Dijon mustard. And we're gonna add our tarragon. Let's just mix everything together. I'm just going to take out this piece of garlic, and then this one as well. Now if you desired, you could add, after incorporating this, mixing it well, you can also add heavy cream to it, but I don't have any heavy cream, so I'm just going to let this reduce a little in order for it to thicken up so that I can have my sauce for my chicken. Okay, so I'll be back when this sauce has thickened up a little. Okay guys, so I tasted my sauce and I found it can take a little salt, just a little bit of salt in it. So our sauce has reduced and thickened up. So now we can just drizzle it over our chicken. So there you have it, folks, our Dijon pan fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.